What are we gonna do today? Oh yeah! Look at that! We're gonna make this together! Alright guys, if you are ready, now we are going to start making our snowman. It's okay. You can use blue or green, any color you like. Put your toilet paper roll, okay? The one that looks like this, okay? Put it on the paper. And then draw a line around it, okay? So first, you need to color your toilet paper roll white. The head, the black hat. Very good. Well, today we're working on toilet paper rolls, but as you can see, I don't have the most important item here, and that's not important.
It's not even, brand new. It's been used before. So I am going to definitely show it to my kids to encourage using reusable items. I mean, using the items that they already have at home, and they can use them again to make something cool and new. So the point is, even if you don't have a toilet paper roll, that's fine.
I finally got glue. All right. Can I be clumsier than this? Really? I don't think so. I know it's not perfect, but I think it's cool. I'm kind of liking this. Alright everyone, here's the end of the video. Don't forget to, if you haven't done it already, yeah, it's not too late. Look at me. It's not too late. Just go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, share, and leave me a heart if you liked it. Bye bye.